Hey friends, if you encounter the error code 0xc0000020 on Microsoft Teams, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. First of all, search for Teams in the Windows search bar and then click on the download pointing arrow. Then select App Settings. Okay. And then scroll down and click on Terminate, then click on repair. Okay, it will repair the Microsoft Teams application and will need a few seconds. Make sure that you see a tick mark here to affirm this, and then select reset. So you'll also have to make sure that you get a tick mark here. This is the maximum that you can do because the uninstall button will be grayed out. So practically Microsoft does not want you to uninstall and reinstall it. And once this is done, basically you have repaired and reset Microsoft Teams to default, and in most probability this should fix the problem. But if it does not, then right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.